Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this Bissel power lifter swivel pet vacuum cleaner. So I bought this from Canadian Tire for a clearance. So the actual price of this vacuum is 185 Canadian dollars. But when I went to a clearance section, I saw this one. This is priced around 50 Canadian dollars because of this damaged box. So I asked them if I can check it because it's as is, so no return policy for a clearance sale. And they said I cannot open it because they don't know if I'm going to buy it. So when I went to cashier, I asked the cashier that if I can open it, and I'm 100% going to buy it no matter what. So he opened it, and then let me see the parts. So they are complete, kind of dusty, but yeah, no, there's no hair strands here, so it's not been used yet. So here, let's take a look inside this one. So this one will replace our 10 years old vacuum cleaner. So aside from these two connection for tight space and for maybe for upholstery, since this is for pet, like specialized for pet, you have this kind of extension or attachment that will easily remove pet hair or human hair, because this thing that rotating is made of rubber. So yeah, let's take this out. Okay. Certified damage box only, no dirt inside. And this is the extension if you're going to use it on your ceiling or ceiling fans. Okay, let's take it out. So anyway, even if this is on sale or clearance, you will still have the same warranty because your warranty doesn't affect on how you bought the item. So for sure it has a warranty program for that one. So let's attach the hose, attach this handle, remove from the plastic, attach it here. There's a slide. Okay, this is the button if you want to remove it and use this to clean the ceiling or the lower or the very bottom of your sofa or upholstery. Okay, and then attach this hose. This one with this lip should be at the top, so insert it like on this groove, then turn it clockwise, and then this one should be attached here. So same on the groove and turn clockwise. All right. Okay, and then for the accessories, we have a spot here. Let's remove the wire. Twist, we can rotate this one so that's easier to remove. Almost all the vacuum have the same system. And then you can attach this here. And the other one is on the other side here. So everything on one place, you will not misplace those attachments. So the power is the bottom here. So you can click this, and this one is to remove or to make the handle unlock. Wait, I will try. See, if you press this with your foot, it will make it disengage so that you have control with your vacuum, and put it back. And this one is the power. And then here there's another option. I guess this is for whatever type of carpet that you have. There's a bare floor here, like a hardwood, and then this one is there's a high carpet, like thicker carpet. So there's a level of carpet that you want to clean. So mine, I guess I can use number 3. So I don't know, maybe it's how low this roller will be seated. Yeah, I guess that's how it works. And then to clear or to empty this bin, there's an empty button here. Let's move this one here. Just press this and remove. Oops. You can press and pull. Then same with this. You're going to empty this outside or in the trash. Just press this button and it will open. This one have a seal, the rubber seal here, for I guess for the dust. And let's check if this is this is removable. If you have a hair or any lint, because this is a cyclone type, so the air will circulate inside and it will for sure entangle to this main attachment. For the filter, just lift this red plastic. See? Yeah, this is prone to breaking. Just be careful. Over time, this will break for sure. And then maybe this one too. Over time, this clip will break because this has happened to my Dirt Devil vacuum. This is just a plastic. So just be careful. All right, let's put it back and let's test this machine. So I will scatter some few rice grains. So let's try it. And yeah, it's gone. Everything went to this dispenser or holder, including the dust from the carpet. So you can see I just passed maybe the vacuum twice or 3 times. You can see there's a hair lint already and some dust from the carpet. So these are not noticeable or you cannot see it from the carpet, but once I started cleaning the rice grain, it was went inside together with the rice. All right, so let's test the one more thing that I hate is the cookie crumbs. This one's always on the floor. This one's really hard to clean. These are sticky and sometimes there's a chocolate chip, but I will not include the chocolate chip. I'm going to eat that. So yeah, you can see it. I'll make it closer. All right, so let's start. Yep, it's all clean. Now let's try to use the attachment. be using this one. And I don't have any hair to test here. Maybe I will, yeah, I will grab this one on the floor or on the carpet. Yeah, I guess there's a hair. And let's try it. Remove the attachment. So this attachment from the handle, and put it here. And wow, hair's gone. No hair entangled with this roller. So yeah, I don't know how it works, but this mechanism is really nice. And for this tight space nozzle, I don't need to demonstrate this to you. It's really what it's for. It's for the tight spaces, for the corners of your room. So good. Even though it says for pet, you have the advantage of this attachment for removing hair on your sofa, on the floor, car upholstery. Alright, let's take it off. And in case you have a hair that got entangled here inside, you can also open this one. Rotate it like that, and then it will be opened. So you have the access for this one and for the belt if this one got damaged over a long time, or just in case you need to replace it. Put it back, and then lock it. Alright, so that's it for this vacuum cleaner from Bissel, the Swivel Pet Power Lifter. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.